Hey there, my name is Carla, and today we're going to pick a card to see what message we get. The Bank of Love is never bankrupt. That's a cute analogy. Which envelope has our quotes today? We'll try this one. The trick to life is to have the courage to walk down the path that is lit up in your heart. I'm pretty sure I like food more than people. Sometimes that's true. Truth doesn't cease to be the truth just because someone else thinks otherwise. Absolutely. I hope you learn that real magic doesn't come from self-improvement, but from self-acceptance. And the last one today. Let go of anything that doesn't belong to you and make room for what does. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.